Okay, this part sucks. No matter what we do, we're gonna be in a bad situation because we gotta cross this road.
I have like 1,000 more rounds for my other gun. I'm saving all 7 rounds that I have for this. And I'm switching to the SPS.
Oh my
to
god.
The other one, whatever it is. Okay, we're in the
This circle is... Oh fuck, we got so lucky with this next circle.
Yeah, we did.
Everyone's gotta come to us. We have no fucking cover.
It's true. But there is no covering the whole freaking thing.
Yeah, there's no cover. They gotta run through this field at us.
We can move to the rock.
How is there 8 people left?
I don't freaking know. We're gonna crawl right up next to one.
I know, for real. Stay kind of separated.
Yeah.
Like, there's these trees over here. I'm gonna try and get to them. I think that's the best tactical spot right now is up here.
Yeah.
Which means there might be somebody already there.
There could be somebody coming from behind the circle.
I don't think there's anybody in the blue circle right now. Blue circle is gonna mess people up. These are gonna be the best tactical locations for us right now.
Yeah. Agree.
How is there 8 left? That's fucking crazy. You see anybody?
Nope.
Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa.
What?
Someone's shooting our direction. Oh,
I
there's a
see
guy.
it.
There's a guy. There's a guy. There's a guy. Knocked him. Dead.
Oh, I'm getting shot.
Where the hell's...
Shit.
No, killed his buddy. Are you down?
Yeah, I'm down.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna come try and pick you up.
Okay.
If I can.
What's wrong?
I can't. When you're picking somebody up, this is all you can do.
Oh, okay.
We're not in the circle! We're not in the circle! Get in the circle! Fuck. Okay, get over to this tree. I ain't dying now.
How are
There's
they-
3 left. There's only 1 person left. He's right here.